Hi, I'm Mary Boyer, Disaster Risk Management Specialist in the Latin American and Caribbean region at the World Bank, and I'm speaking with Mr. Jeremy Collymore, who is a consultant in disaster resilience in the Office of the Vice Chancellor at the University of the West Indies. So, what brings you to understanding risk this week?
Well, first of all, Understanding Risk Caribbean is taking place on my campus. But beyond that, the university has a long history of creating the science to help us understand the key hazards in our region. And it's only appropriate that we participate to also share our knowledge and to gain some knowledge on new tools and practices.
And what are you doing personally or as a university to make University of West Indies campuses more resilient?
The 2017 to 22 resilience strategy of the University of the West Indies embraces the idea of the house in order principle. And the university, seeking to be a resilience champion, is of the view that itself must be a resilient organization. And therefore, we've taken on this initiative that looks at building continuity in our operations as the first instance, looking at our procedures or plans, creating training opportunities for the campus staff and students to create that awareness and capacity to deal with these threats, and also developing continuity planning tools and programs to increase the awareness.
So, working with youth every day, what role do you see youth playing in disaster risk management?
Actually, the 2017 events, Irma Maria, saw the spontaneous recognition of the youth of the university of their capacity and role to support disaster management in the region. And they organized themselves a set of activities that first of all focus on supporting their peers. In addition to that, they are actually presenting a policy to university management about how they can be involved in helping to shape this resilience agenda. So this is really basically coming from the youth themselves.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Collymore, for speaking with me today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.